This is what I'm packing for our 2 kids on our 4-day cruise on the Disney Wish. For Embarkation Day, I always like to go with a classic nautical theme, so I've got a red and white striped dress for our daughter and a Surfer Mickey button-up for our son. For dinner at 1923, it's a more classic, nostalgic Disney-themed restaurant, so I've just got a Mickey button-up for our son and this blue dress that my daughter insisted on. Now for our dinner at World of Marvels, obviously this one is all for my little boy. So we've got this fun Spider-Man hoodie with a Marvel t-shirt and a coordinating red dress for our daughter with a little cream bow just to make it a little bit girly. For dinner at Arendelle, the Frozen-inspired restaurant, my daughter is wearing this super cute snowflake shirt with a little blue skirt and then this blue and white polo for my son. Now, we are on a Merrytime sailing, which means Santa and Mrs. Claus will be there. So I got my kiddos matching pajamas from Target and this cute little velvet headband for our daughter so that when they meet Santa and Mrs. Claus, they are all decked out. Pirate Night is a very big deal on Disney Cruise Line. It happens on nearly every sailing, if not all of them. So I got these really inexpensive pirate outfits last cruise, and they're going to wear them again this cruise. Last but definitely not least, we will be taking family photos on the beach in Castaway Cay, which is Disney's private island. So I got these fun hats from Target and red and green kind of coordinating Christmas swimsuits for both kiddos to have fun in.